What's up guys, it's your boy ABCOOKING. Today you'll see something unbelievable. It's not just 1 or 2 meals, it's 7 meals for whole week. It will be healthy. We calculate all calories, carbs, fats and mats. Don't waste your time, let's start! The first recipe is rice with cooked chicken with spinach sauce. Cool the washed rice with 1 Q2 water. Pour into a saucepan. Why don't you use a multi-cooker? Because we watched it cooking better, link in the description. We put the rice to boil for 15 minutes. We cook the chicken, sea fillet or regular fillet, put to the boil for 15 minutes. Make spinach sauce. Add oil to a heated skillet. Fill with spinach. Add cumin and salt. Roast for a few minutes. Mix the spinach with the soaked chickpeas. Add pepper, a little salt and blend. You can add a little water. The sauce is ready. Let's make chicken soup. Finally dice the carrots, onion and potatoes. Also the chicken. Rice is ready. Divide it into 2 parts. In a pot of water add the chopped vegetables. Put on the fire for 15 minutes. Proceed to the third dish. Dice the beef, also onions and carrots. Chop everything with a blender or in a meat grinder. Oven to 200 degrees. In the ready minced meat, add salt, pepper, smoked paprika, kari, a little olive oil. Mix very thoroughly. Make the fourth dish coleslaw. For the salad we need: cut the cabbage into 2 pieces. Shred it. Add half of the chopped cabbage to the chicken soup. Grate the carrots. Cut onion into thin half rings. Mix with cabbage, add olive oil and vinegar. Pepper. Stir with your hands. Our cabbage salad is ready. The chicken is already boiled. Take out of boiling water and cut into slices. Put the chicken and rice on a plate. Sprinkle with spinach sauce. If desired, you can decorate with greens and cheese. It's been 17 minutes. Let's speed it up. Add sliced chicken to boiling water. Let's prepare the sauce for the third course. Mix tomato paste with water. Add salt, garlic powder, smoked paprika, pepper and oregano. Stir to combine. We can add more water as this will cook the spaghetti. Add the spaghetti to the tray. From the ready minced meat form Lula Kebab. Place on spaghetti and put tomato sauce over it. Put in the oven for 15 minutes at 396 degrees Fahrenheit. We season our chicken soup. Mix spices, the recipe will be in the description. Stir the soup and it's ready. We have 35 minutes left. Let's get to the fish course. The shrimp cream soup. Peel carrots, coarsely dice, also zucchini and sweet peppers, and mushroom. Add to boiling water for 10 minutes. Begin making the fifth dish, a diet salad. For the sauce we mix 2 eggs, soaked chickpeas. We add oil, pepper, salt, blend until smooth. Sauce is ready. The washed lettuce leaves are dried. You can use paper towels or don't dry at all. Your life is your choice. Coarsely dice. Pour soy sauce, vinegar, salt and water over onion. Stew. Place the lettuce leaves on a plate. Top with cucumbers, tomato, picked onion and previously cooked chicken. Add rice bran. Dressing over it, garnish with parmesan. 27 minutes left. Sushi. Cut out all the water in the cucumbers. Cut into thin strips. Cut the avocado into 2 pieces. Take out the bone, peel and slice. Slice sweet peppers into thin slices. Let's quickly prepare the mincecan. In a small saucepan, add vinegar, stevia. Use sugar as little as possible. Watch your health. Salt and stir thoroughly until everything is dissolved. Our vegetables have already boiled. Immediately add tomato paste, salt, pepper, and blend until smooth. About 18 minutes have passed. We take out of the oven, put our second course on a plate. Add the salad, garnish with parmesan. Less than 18 minutes to go. Add mincecan to rice and mix well. For convenience, you can freeze the salmon so the slices will be much prettier. Peel the salmon fillets and cut into slices. Of course, we use a separate bowl for the fish. Always keep it neat and clean. We add rice to the nori sheet. Top with cucumbers, with peppers and avocado. Followed by salmon. Smear the free area with cream cheese. I recommend using a mat. Cut off the dragon tongue on the sides. Cut the sushi in half, then again. Time for homemade sushi monster. Sushi masters, step away from the screens. Add all cut dragon tongues, remaining rice and vegetables to nourish sheet. Don't spare this bad boy. More cream cheese and twist it with all valor and courage. Cut off the dragon tongues, cut it in two, then cut it again. Add wasabi powder to the plate, add a few teaspoons of water. Mix well and place our 7th dish on a plate. Put wasabi on the sides, pour soy sauce. We have 11 minutes left. Back to our cream soup. Peel the shrimps. Don't forget to take out the pulp. Slice the garlic into slices. Add butter, rosemary and garlic to a hot skillet. Place shrimps and fry on both sides for 30 seconds each. Salt and pepper. Look at those golden babies. Grate the cheese on a fine grate. Pour in the cream soup. Add 3 shrimp. Sprinkle with cheese. Our 6th course is ready. Less than 4 minutes to go. It's time for dessert. In a small bowl, add chocolate. Put in microwave for 1 minute. In a bowl, add cottage cheese, almonds, hazelnut, cashew, chia seeds, raisins, melted dark chocolate. Mix very quickly. Form into balls. Sprinkle with coconut shavings. Oh no, 1 second left. Quickly garnish with raspberries. Time. It's really good, it's tasty. I'm definitely feeling better. But it's your choice to choose fast food or healthy food. You have to know that your life in your hand. Good luck.